Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can download any video from YouTube to your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So let's go ahead and get started with this topic. And open the YouTube app on your device. Next, select any video in order to download it and open it up. And down here, underneath the video, you'll be able to find a menu like this, which flips from right to left. So what you're going to need to do when you've selected a video, just click on this button here, which is download. So the video will immediately start downloading to your phone. Now I will show you where you can find such downloaded videos from YouTube. For this, you will need to go to your YouTube page. Then scroll down a little bit where you will find the downloaded section and go to it. And here you will be able to find all the videos that you have downloaded to your device. And at the bottom, you'll also be able to find recommended videos that are similar in query to the ones you usually watch and the ones you already have downloaded. Friends, this is the simple way you can download YouTube videos to your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was useful for you. Please write comments, put likes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And see you soon.